Rivers are the lifelines of nature, but sometimes overgrown plants and weeds block their flow. Today, we're taking action to bring this river back to life. Over time, aquatic plants spread fast and trap waste, slowing down the current and reducing oxygen levels in the water. Cleaning them not only restores flow, it helps fish, birds, and the entire ecosystem survive. Using mechanical equipment and teamwork, these thick plants are carefully removed without harming the riverbed. It's a mix of hard work, patience, and care for the environment. The result? Fresh, flowing water again. A cleaner, healthier river that supports life and prevents flooding during the rainy season. Every small effort makes a big difference. Keeping our rivers clean means protecting nature for generations to come. If you care about clean water and a greener planet, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring cleanup videos.